Hey guys, Anthony 4x4 Diesel. Quick video answering a few questions. A bit of an intro, I suppose, for the new people, and a lot of people asking, about how they get the parts kits and stuff like that. So the most important, I suppose, we've got a couple of YouTube channels. You probably want to be subscribed, turn the bell on. That's one way to gather your information. That's the easy way to do it. A lot of the time you can just listen while you're driving, just press the play button and sit it up in the phone holder. You don't need to look most of the time. Sometimes you do. And obviously those videos you can watch again later if you go, yeah, I need to check that when I stop. But look, we're a bit different business model to what everybody else does. We're not here to just have a big website and a big business and just sell you everything and make heaps of money, everything whether you need it or not. We're actually here to save you money, save people cumulatively millions of dollars because all the crap they don't need on their vehicles, and give the right information on maintenance. And if you want to see what I mean, just watch some of the videos and you will see what I mean. There's lots of places out there that just can't get jobs done right. Obviously it is difficult when you can't get staff, and we might even have another video soon talking about why there's such a staff shortage everywhere. Where is everyone? But it'll be off topic as well, won't it? So do we like that or not? Let me know in the comments. But look, for the people saying, how do I buy this, how do I buy that? You really just need to keep watching the videos, because we don't have a website. We have a phone number that is a text message service only. It's not the tech hotline. It's not the I need help with this, I need help with that. It is the number to send the text message if you want to book into the Prado Hospital. The Prado Hospital, we're Melbourne based, northwest of Melbourne, about 25 k's out, for people that need to know the location. We have other workshop partners, so on the other side of town we've got one person that can help out. He's on channel with obviously getting things done right. He's on channel with us, you know what I mean? We're on the same page, he understands the situation. We've got other workshop partners, they're few and far between, and of course always looking for other workshops that have got a similar understanding to us that want to help people out. So if that's you, make contact. If you want to purchase a injector kit, it's Mondays with a text message from 7:30 a.m. Okay, get it done early as possible, because we need to get all the texts done, get all the orders done, then we need to get them packed and sent. So we don't really need to be receiving more messages for more orders after lunch later in the day. We're busy getting the people that listened sorted out. So I hope you understand. I need you to help me. I'm just here. It's just me. Anybody else here? Hello? No, still nobody here. Okay, so it's just me, and we need to be really productive and efficient, and we delegate what we can, delegate to other businesses to help out also. Tuesday, Dobinsons suspension. I suppose I better put it this time where school holidays we take off. Just wipe off September, maybe a few days early September we'll be able to help out with a few things, but not much. September is school holidays month. So get your parts kits in August, or wait until October is probably your best bet, and follow the announcements on our 2 Facebook pages. If you're in Australia, obviously the parts side of thing is we can only supply people inside Australia. I keep repeating myself because I know a lot of people miss videos. They don't watch videos, they don't watch till the end. The Prado Hospital gives you the information about when this Prado Hospital is open, closed, what's happening, what we're fixing, why and any sort of information relevant to that. This page here, Prado Hilux 1KD FTV injectors, that's more the parts side of the business. What days we're open, what days we're closed, when we take orders, what's required for you to be able to get. And the reason, obviously, why people buy injector kits from us, they asked for it many years ago. That's what we do, that's what we specialise in. Everything's in there you need, nothing you don't. And of course, only brand new genuine injectors, which is pretty hard to come by at a lot of suppliers where people are shopping around. So it's the comprehensive kit. Dobinson suspension on Tuesdays. Wednesdays the BFE kit and the front wheel bearings. Just keep watching the videos and you'll soon work it out. But the text message service, like it says here, Mondays from 7:30 a.m. ASAP. There's the number right there, text message service. Lots of people still try to call. We get those red numbers, and at the end of the day, we just go missed calls, delete, delete, delete. Nothing happens when you call except you get to listen to my voice, repeating myself, pretty much what I'm saying to you now. Don't call, just text, okay? So the text message service is when you want to order any of those parts kits. If you want to know more about them, we've got a playlist. I'm pretty sure it's called How to Buy My Kits, or How to Buy My Parts Kits. So check out on our channel, our playlist on 4x4 Diesel, and check those videos out. If it's injectors you're interested in, videos called things along the lines of latest injector information or injector kit information. should be all in how to buy my kits. You can skim through. There's the front hub assembly bearing videos. They're all in a playlist as well. Front wheel bearing or something it'll be called. There's the Dobinsons, the suspension playlist. Check that out so you know what you need to do so that you just get it right the first time. You get the best value for money. There's so many videos there helping you save money. The BFE kit, big front engine job, okay, for the Prados and the Hiluxes, 1KDs. That's what we specialise in. And the only reason we supply all these kits is because they are unique. You don't get a BFE kit anywhere else. You can get a timing belt, you can get an aftermarket, you can get a genuine, you can get these bits and those bits and pieces. What we do, we supply you the whole kit that's comprehensive for all the 1KDs, that if you've got a one-piece pump, you're going to end up with a two-piece pump, nice and easy. If you don't know what I'm talking about, keep watching the videos, okay? Check out those playlists. Those subheadings, those playlists are key to the subject that you're interested in. Okay, it's like looking up an index, if you like. So check out the playlists. What else? Like it says at the top, we don't use Messenger. So you can friend me, Anthony Prado 4B on Facebook, no problem. Okay, if you've got a real profile, you're a real person, and you just want to follow the info we share and know what's going on, and you can put up with some of my shenanigans every now and then. A lot of good information off topic, trying to save you money as well. So a lot of people like that. Feel free to hit that friend button, Anthony Prado 4B. But don't do it to then try and contact me on Messenger. We don't use Messenger, okay? We rarely check it every now and then, and if it's anything business related, you're just going to get a photo with this sheet here like this that says we don't use Messenger. It tells you this information. This is where your information is. Check it out. Okay. Don't use Messenger. We've talked about our Facebook pages. Like and follow those so you know what's going on. Text service only for parts kits purchase or to book into the Prado Hospital. We've covered that. There's the time, 7:30 a.m. Monday, because Monday's a big day with injector kits. Everybody in the know buys the injector kit for the 1KD from Anthony at the Prado Hospital, 4x4 diesel. Okay. Not everybody does though. I said everybody in the know, but you can do whatever you like. It's all good. Just follow the information. You can use whatever you get. There's plenty of free information to get the work and maintenance done on your vehicle, and you can think that I'm wrong about some stuff. That's cool, and I can think you're wrong. We can agree to disagree. It's no problem. Okay. Tuesdays, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. ideally for suspension. If I'm busy, I'm going to take some time to get back to you. I apologise. That's what happens when you're busy, when you get lots of people smashing you Tuesday morning. But we'll do the best information you can provide me, helps me get back to you quickly, and bada bing, right? And we can get the ball rolling and get it happening smoothly. Okay, rest of the week we're busy, right? So there's other aspects of the business, so please don't bother me with any calls, texts, anything at all whatsoever from Wednesday at whatever time those BFE kits finish. I said in the morning's ideal, so I shouldn't really hear from anyone unless they're picking up their vehicle or dropping off their vehicle, or to do with work we're actually doing on their vehicle from sometime after lunch Wednesday, let's say lunchtime Wednesday, back until Monday morning, unless it's an emergency. So you go to the VIP group first. We'll get to that one. We're working our way down the list, only another minute or two. Okay, so Facebook groups, Oz Hilux crew and Oz Prado crew, those two if you're in Australia, okay? If you just want to know about the injectors and the engine on the 1KD, that sort of information, a lot of people in that group there, okay? And you got your 4 engine specific groups, because you've got that thing in common with those people. So if that's the engine you got, you might want to get into that group as well as Oz Prado crew, for example. Or if you're not in Australia, then you use these engine groups, or 4x4 Diesel is a Facebook group, same name as the YouTube channel, just like 4x4 Adventures, same name as our other YouTube channel. A lot of educational stuff on there as well, a lot of stupidity as well, a lot of entertainment, but information, entertainment's a good mix there. And of course, VIPs is the client only group. So once you've spent some money, if you've been to the Prado Hospital, if you've purchased any kits from us, it's very wise to get into that VIP group. A lot of people don't. There's only 1,000 or so members there. Yep, that's right. Only a bit over 1,000 clients that have bothered to join that group. You've got to answer the 3 questions saying what you purchased with your name you purchased it in. And if you've changed phone numbers or names or something dodgy going on, you need to provide the information so that I can make the link. All clients are stored in the phone, so we treat you like a member and a client, not a number. Like, that's what RA said many years ago. We treat you like a member, not a number, or something like that. That's what we do. I don't too many phone numbers. We just put the name, the person, the whole history's there. That's why we like text messages. Everything is in writing, no mistakes. Okay, that's a VIP group for the clients. Get in there. Heaps of people like-minded. They're all doing the same sorts of jobs. They've watched the videos. They know what to do. So we've kind of got a heap of experts in here. A lot of really helpful people that know more stuff about things than me. Okay, I don't know everything. You need these people. These are the best of the best in here. Now the gold class VIP clients, that's for people that have made a contribution to the crack piston fund. It's just a separate account we've got. It's you make a donation, there's some money sitting there. If you've done the right thing, if you've replaced your injectors, you're doing all your correct maintenance, you're following information, and you're that unlucky and you get it under warranty, or you'll get it under insurance, or we'll help you out, or we'll pay the VCAT fees or NCAT or whatever it is to get what's fair and what's right, because engines shouldn't crack pistons. So that's what that's about, the gold class. You need to make the payment first. So what you do is, if you're in the VIPs, you will find the account to make the payment. If you just want to make a payment and you're just a nobody and you just want to help people out and chuck in whatever, couple $100, then send me a text message during those times, Monday to Wednesday. Hey mate, I just want to contribute to the crack piston fund. Chuck in your whatever you want to chuck in, and then when you join this group, you can answer yes, I put in $200 on blah 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 with your name, and then you'll be allowed in that group. Again, like-minded people, nice people, just helping each other out. And of course, we've got our YouTube channels, and that's it. I'm out of here. So there you go. I think I gave you the rundown to answer those common questions where people ask this sort of thing. So what we do, we specialise in Prado's our number one, also Hiluxes, 1KD FTVs. That's what we specialise in. They're very popular. They're an awesome vehicle. They're an awesome engine. There's a lot of misunderstanding and misinformation out there, like a lot of the products that people bolt to the vehicles. So if you watch our information, you are prone to saving a lot of money and having a very reliable vehicle. Thanks for watching. Another boring video to the end. Bada bing. Catch you on the next one. See ya.